Hey, what's good, YouTube? It's Anthony Lyons, AL Designs, back with another vehicle. This video is going to be all about this sweet F-150, 2014 F-150. Customer brought it to me, wanting some bass and full system here. So we've got two Diamond Audio amps, monoblock for the subwoofers. These subwoofers are the Kicker Comp 8-inch subwoofers. They're going to go underneath the seat, custom box. Going to build an amp rack for the amplifiers, probably right behind here, right behind the back seat. Got an LC7i, which will integrate with the factory radio, power wire, all that good stuff. So stay tuned, watch this footage on this 2014 F-150. My kid sat late. Stay tuned. All right, YouTube, now on to the speaker install for the Ford F-150. Usually I use ABS plastic for my adapters. However, I am all fresh out. So as you can see, I have some clear acrylic and going to drill and tap, good old drill and tap these 1/4-20 screws into the plastic, get them all mounted up, line right. Again, stand away from the MDF or any type of wood material so that these things can last a long time. Probably gonna scuff them up, paint them black, and they'll be good to go. So stay tuned. All right, so the speaker installed all good. Adapters came out real well. Everything lined up great. So now we are on to the amp rack. As I said before, we've got the monoblock, Diamond Audio monoblock for the subwoofers, and a 4-channel for all the 4 speakers. And this is the area here in the rear that we're going to put the amp rack. It's going to be mounted on an ABS plastic plate. So I'll take some measurements and get going. Stay tuned. This is on a drill. And just like that, we have the amp rack all ready to go. Again, using the factory bolt up in this corner, ABS plastic. I got the monoblock, 4-channel, all wired up. Distribution block, ground distro, all nice and neat, tucked away behind the rear seat. So up next will be the subwoofer enclosure. It's gonna go right in this area somewhere. Come up with a design, get her done. That's the last thing of this last part of the F-150 install. So stay tuned. Just like that, YouTube, we're all finished with the F-150. Again, this is a 2014 AL Design speaker box, all done. You'll see from the pictures how everything was put together. A little stack fab. For those of you who don't know, it's just a bunch of pieces all stacked together, approximately a little over 40 to get the right airspace. Cut the box, or should I say cut the mat to fit the box right in there. Customer really wanted to keep that. So a recap, remember the amps are back here, all tucked away using the factory bolts. We got the subwoofers, the 2 8s, kicker 8s. We've got folk house 6-inch coaxials in all doors, the LC7i to integrate with the factory radio, and last but not least, the little bass knob right there on the side. Again, anybody has a Ford or any other vehicle at that, golf cart, ski, boat, jet ski, anything, hit up AL Designs. Please click like and subscribe, and on to the next install. Stay tuned.
This is not a drill.